most of us have some current within us of feeling bad or undeserving or deficient. When there's any degree of something's not right with who I am, it's very, very difficult to trust a kind of connection with other people.
Remember a day when you felt a lot of love. Maybe you were in love, remember that? Or maybe you were, whether it was with another person, or maybe you were in love with life or the world.
So the truth is that we often feel we're falling short, and we're often at war with ourselves because of that. And in order to wake up this wing of kindness or self-compassion, the beginning of it is to be able to see clearly.
Feel what it's like in your body and spirit to be in this field of love. And know that it is possible for you, that it is available and accessible. Not only is it available on the days that are easy, but the amazing thing is it's also possible in times of difficulty.